Independence Day in the Shadows of War. Introduction. Ukraine's Independence Day, celebrated on August 24th, holds special significance for the country and its people. However, amidst the ongoing war with Russia, the context and gravity of this national holiday have been altered. This essay will delve into how the celebrations of Ukraine's Independence Day have changed, the symbolism of independence for Ukrainians in the midst of conflict, and reflections on the importance of this day in 2023. The altered celebrations. The war with Russia, which began in 2014, has deeply impacted how Ukraine commemorates its Independence Day. In the early years after the conflict broke out, celebrations were often muted or overshadowed by the ongoing violence and instability in the country. However, as the war dragged on, Ukrainians have increasingly used Independence Day as a display of national unity and resilience in the face of adversity. In recent years, the celebrations have taken on a more somber tone, with memorials and ceremonies honoring those who have lost their lives in the conflict. The focus has shifted towards recognizing the sacrifices made by Ukrainian soldiers and civilians, as well as highlighting the ongoing struggle for sovereignty and territorial integrity. The traditional military parade in Kyiv has become a symbol of defiance and strength, showcasing Ukraine's determination to defend its independence. Furthermore, the war has led to a resurgence of patriotic sentiment among Ukrainians, as they rally together in support of their country and its sovereignty. Independence Day has become a reminder of the need to protect and preserve Ukraine's independence, particularly in the face of external aggression. Symbolism of independence. For Ukrainians, independence carries a profound meaning, especially in the context of the ongoing conflict with Russia. It represents the hard-fought struggle for self-determination and freedom, as well as the desire to build a sovereign and democratic nation. Independence Day serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by previous generations to secure Ukraine's independence and the responsibility of the current generation to defend it. Moreover, independence symbolizes the unity and resilience of the Ukrainian people in the face of external threats and challenges. It is a reflection of their identity, culture, and values, as well as their commitment to building a peaceful and prosperous future for themselves and future generations. As Ukraine continues to face external aggression and internal challenges, the symbolism of independence has taken on added significance. It serves as a rallying cry for unity and solidarity as Ukrainians come together to defend their country and its sovereignty. Independence Day has become a day of remembrance, reflection, and renewal as the country looks towards the future with hope and determination. Reflections on independence. As Ukraine prepares to celebrate Independence Day in 2023, the significance of this national holiday is more pronounced than ever. The country remains embroiled in a protracted conflict with Russia, with no clear resolution in sight. The ongoing war has tested Ukraine's resilience and resolve, but it has also strengthened its commitment to defending its independence and sovereignty. Independence Day in 2023 will be a time for Ukrainians to reflect on the challenges they have faced and the progress they have made in safeguarding their independence. It will be a moment to honor the sacrifices of those who have given their lives for the country and to recommit to the values of freedom, democracy, and self-determination. Conclusion. Looking ahead, Independence Day will continue to serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration for Ukrainians as they navigate the complexities of the current geopolitical landscape. It will be a day to reaffirm their commitment to building a free, democratic, and prosperous Ukraine, where independence is not just a symbol, but a lived reality for all its citizens.